the boy, the man, broke in it like a tree, you know. Three boy ain't even know, man, say man, that's youth. So I should have hold the boy in the dog, a three boy ain't even know what I'm doing in the youth. I should have hold man broke in it like a tree limb, and I should never see a boy run go in the dog. Three boy don't know badness in the youth.
Buy so I don't know. Come.
No, sorry, I play hopscotch.
Go on and come, Rory. And 9.
Go on, play again, my brother.
Come back. Come on, like ya.
Wait there.
Open so.
Which part of that house?
Like ya.
Alright, come on.
Wait, mommy.
Oh, what the man you doing like here, man? What you say? Check out the hole. Wake up. Come take care. Wake up.
Why are you reaching out?
I have no money for you, no, but miss you. Thanks, here.
Yeah.
Wake me up. What time now? What time am I? 9 o'clock.
I feel the dogs them coming now.
So I go on I.
Elephant.
Now come.
Drive out the Benz Jeep. We are.
Some music boy they are playing now. We are dealing.
My cousin did it.
No man, just can't deal that thing now. We go to forward back, set speed.
Boy, you don't want to know what going on last night in the King.
What go on last night?
Say me go link a catty dog and stay some bumps up by a girl there dog and stay some. The girl man come in, brother. I run me have to run out in my underpants last night. I don't want to carry up the road so I have to sleep last night. Boy, a beat shut off for me, my beat shut off. Yo, me say me nervous in the car, brother.
Yo, me tell you one I thing you out. You see, none of my time I out. You see the whole look a girl thing, don't make sense, you know?
True.
Because what if you want to shot them lick you? I just don't find your life gone, you know? There's more to life than flesh, you know? You know what I mean? So, he's a good youth. I'm know from a long time, know if you didn't maga. You understand? But I just start talk to your cousin. You know what I mean? And I try to show you, say, some different platform come up in the pipeline now because I take back for the studio, you know? You know the song I play a while ago?
Me here, man. Me here,
Just vice, you see it? So I go and meditate and go and while meditation. Because I so link somebody if you do want music with your feet.
Yeah.
Because I push forward in the music right now. I say, take back feet. You're the one bad engineer, you. So right now, you better you love for so much of the girl thing done. You know what I mean? And take back your computer and go on. Because you know young brain. So you get greatness. You know what I mean?
Real.
So it's time for you to do something difficult. Break the chains of Babylon. You see it, the same thing I show you. How you work for a while ago you get it. But anyway. Did you hear a song I play a while ago?
Me here, man, yo.
Yeah, man.
Play me here.
Right now, I plan to go back in. I want the meditation come to me and go say, hey, go in the studio. Here we are now.
The Benz Jeep.
jump out. Yeah, man. Two-ounce yarn. And I'm enough for that journey.
Serious.
Yo, give me a split dog.
One pound of the cool.
Yeah, listen to this without weed, you
The
know.
Rasta no bamboo.
Yeah, we. I look up pizza.
Hot. Grab a leaf. I feed the dogs them cause we no road cheap. Drive out the Benz Jeep. We are royalties. Smoking these trees. Give me a buzz. Me fly like these.
Push up on different strain.
Inna me head, me brain a fly like plane. To Babylon, me no need to explain. It's a vibes me a try to maintain. With me big body girl by my side. Money I make and she a full joy the ride.
Yo, son, the tough. We can do some work, man, for real.
Yeah, man, so.
Can do
Like
some
me
work,
say,
man.
see, I look at thing here, because you go down it for a man, you say, still, yo. But I want to go think on the road and it's, you understand, because mom look when cook shell out already, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But link back later, all I raise the man. We are going to hold a meditation. You know you go?
Alright, I'm so build up that way there and fresh up and forward back.
Alright, that's how it works.
Zed?
Yeah, man.
Tell Kelly say me need forward.
Alright. Tell Kelly.
Kelly!
Tell Kelly.
Tell Kelly say you're forward.
Alright. So I'm going to be able.
Very tired.
You know what's funny enough, because I just a while ago, you know,
Me? They run a back a wash.
I'm thinking that down the road again.
On the road for a bee, I must never close them for wash. Me? I lie. So you could.
Him pass through the boy right now. Man, I shoot off of him.
So what?
The bad man, I shoot off of him because they catch my yard. You know if he's already.
He not here. He not here now. Me not no money for bury him. I whole heap of money for bury dead now. Him and the rest of him family can manage that. No me.
I'm alright still, so I don't know what if one of them have vibrated, so feedback on the box, sir. What is this, Can you whine my love? I love the way you design my love. Yeah, boy. Sit down, my love. Bubble, my love. My love. It's alright, that's how it feels true.
Sound good, man.
Yeah, man, it is have a vibe, see, you know? Have a vibe. Because we could do that weed business and all. I will have shower or something, you know what I mean? I get myself up and running, but definitely. It was Medzi, alright, song feet and something there, you know what I mean? So, in the day, you know, so chill out for a minute and then wait. Why? What do you feel like?
I hear a fall after me just say, me nah go.
Kelly.
We soon come there. We soon come there.
Oh.
I know they do something with that.
My out just so still, see me?
Alright. What the fuck we need to fuck? You just walk in, so.
That's if you always keep your door locked. You like grip here.
I'm like the hair. I'm the African woman. You know, cut the hair again, you know.
Me never cut it. I grow it back fresh, natural. Remember I said it wave and it cream first.
Use the part about the picnic for Kanaki shot them before you move. You have to breathe for me.
You know, so if you breathe, yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yo, anytime you're ready, you know, you say, you know, that boss, you say, oh, you can't
Ah,
manage
anytime
picnic, you can't manage anything.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, so if you breathe, yeah, though.
Anytime you're ready, be.
You sure you're ready?
Me born ready.
Not easy, you know.
I never born easy.
Anyway, because you come out, so.
You come already?
Yes, you know, so.
Cha.
Where's that going, brother, dad?
You want to see me? See me can go sleep and I work here now. Come here, come tell me.
Yo, him out there, sir. Man. I go and get some things with you.
So you go come in here, what?
No, yeah, go to the
What go on now?
Where you going? You know,
Man.
say, Ramon, you come back on, you can go and lose something here for me. Because last night, a bag of things going on last night. I mean, if your man tell us to.
King when they tell me what they go on. You know, say unruly. Me I tell a friend now. My family nah no money for bury you. And they not allow dirt grave again. But if you dig and throw your ass in there, so. But with that.
Yo, I say you got a girl business, right? I know say a girl business, I know something did it.
Continue. Continue. You see one cough
Say,
down and
you can't thank God for me living.
me give God thanks for you living.
Alright, so stop.
But you look
you
like
don't tell me to
no.
talk too much,
I
man.
truth. And you don't like hear the truth.
You talk too much, man. Just come pull up.
You see one cough down and daily where you like.
She have a cousin, you know. You know I'm breathing.
You know where your head bud up, me not even up with me yet.
Yeah. You have to go third bus, I go bus and reach. You better breathe for him now before him. Nobody waits until him turn out this big and so you go breathe.
Well, me can't go breathe if you stress me out. I come like me already. How I'm picnic because all them are kind of news you come to me is like me mother.
Oi, nobody with it. Nobody with it. Because first thing first, me and your cousin. So me not supposed to stress you out.
Yeah, everybody a come to me with all like badness them when you push a road. You understand me like I mean your mother. So you expect me to have picnic and them are kind of stress you.
You make a girl like you kind of stress you out. Yo, just pull up me head, man. I talk too much.
Talk the truth a problem.
Where your mother there?
You don't know which part she there right now, you know. You call her.
Can't manage and your mother to me.
Tell me about it.
You go down in a memory lane. Always I go down in a memory lane.
And the fiance she go remain there.
Can't manage just there. You're not in the field.
We don't want to eat.
Yo, look at that.
Oh, okay, you know me go tackle you say anytime I come you never cannot come give me but you ever come for sitting.
So me get big, you know, bus. Yeah, you good. How this a car, man? Yo, Boggy try. Yo. Alright, yo, mad thing, man. Yo, me call her back when me do. Me there somewhere I do something. Me call her back. Ah. I'm a real nigga that too, you know.
Real nigga indeed. One thing me I tell you, you know. But didn't have no money so fi bury you. Since as you want to play unruly game, make sure say you have money put on. So when you're dead, we can bury you.
Yo, come out of me head, man. Come out of me head, man.
All the better. Because when me talk truth, you don't want to hear. Excuse.
Sure.
See you now, I'm coming service. How are you?
No, you, no, that one day after me, I tell him the truth, he burn him, so he ain't gonna burn him business. Because me, try to tell him, say, everybody poor, family poor, we don't have no money to bury him. You know how much money to bury dead?
Somebody ball looking dead for the man, though. But just still just talk team as a slow down, but not put in the dead night because life is greater than all of those things. Man go through a lot of things, but he may just be himself. Because I just try to talk to him, said speed, you see it, so. Enough of that with him still, you know what I mean? Make yourself happy and about a focus on certain things, negative vibes, you know what I mean? Just pray for him. But apart from that though, where you go cook and even.
Me don't know what you want to eat.
Just cook anything we know, say I and I would eat and all that evening, because I'm not too fussy, you know. You know what I mean? So, just do something. Because I'm going to meds already, I said speed. So, where am I sitting? I'm going to meds already, because I need to get song done by later.
Alright.
Yo, you build up a whole of them outside, you know, dog. And right now, man, I want a piece of cheese, you know, dog. I'm not left till me get it, you know, bad man. See a girl over there, so you see how she pretty. Don't mess around in a youth.
You see all of them house here, the money no come through for them yet. But me will see what can go on.
Babes, what was that all about?
Like a thieving boy that man. I saw you going to Jamaica stealing a babes. You know.
So why you did that to even give him money?
Better you give him it, and you take your life, It's cheaper, You live to see your next day. I saw you going to Jamaica stealing a babes.
So yeah, try to tell me, say, when it come down, just a demand money from you like that?
Yeah, man, I saw you going to extortion thing in Jamaica, man. I say you have to do it, babes. And if you don't do it, you know where you go. You understand? Yeah,
Because
man.
I was so scared a while ago, because I wonder what kind of agreement, and him look so scary. Like one of them bad type of guy there.
No, like a thief, man. Make him go and about him business, man. When time I done all of them house, yeah, we have to live on the state.
We don't want to live here, son.
I tell you, babes, things are nice, man. How yourself here? Really sorry about that still.
Make we leave now.
I know my fault.
Make
Come
we
on.
leave now,
Yeah,
because
man,
I don't really feel comfortable no more here. So.
Tired, you just can't manage for your walk. Baby just why? I don't know.
No, let me tell you something now. You see pregnant people,
Mm.
especially young girls like and it's your first child,
Yeah.
you have to exercise a lot. Walking good for you, best thing you ever do when you're pregnant. And drink a lot of water.
Drink. You know me not like juice already.
No, you need to drink juice too, because the baby needs strength. But what I say, the exercise part is the most important part. And again, you see, anywhere you're there, make sure you get in contact with me, because you see like when you're pregnant. Remember say I'm Mrs. Steiner? You see like when you're pregnant, I want to make sure you're alright. So always call me. Anyhow you check in for your baby, if you're in a labor, call me first.
Something, father.
No, well, you have to know about you and him then. No, because he's supposed to know a matter of fact, say, if he's dead, but suppose him a work,
Yeah, my word.
He not have to be around you, so make sure you call me first. You understand?
Yeah, man, of course.
So you might take care of baby? And you?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Right.
Because if I want to tell lie, and you know, so you not a problem and not talk the truth,
Yeah, my sister. What me I tell her like for?
I just want to make sure I no mean say you not take care of him.
Remember say if anything, me know you have me back in us. So me more than until I make you rush him.
Say that, how that?
Oh, yes, sir.
Kelly,
Yo.
Kelly, you man up and down, man. What is that talk? You come and take long tonight, man.
We know you.
Call your cousin, come, call your cousin.
What happened when we get a rush, so?
Me hear the boy, chop the boy, chop her down there on phone, say, I wipe out the boy, pop. Call your cousin, my friend. Me come around on different levels. Here out of the work and run off him more Rasta boy. I don't like him, man.
Me not get him. Straight vice me, Jesus peace. So,
Me no know nothing more no. Good on me just when I buy something and shopping and turn back in and just run container. Me not tell you know. Any more information me get me come feed you with it.
please do.
Tell you Rasta boy.
Man, yeah, look. Where's that going, sir? And you love, where am I going, sir? Stop worrying yourself,
Even
man.
appreciate you know, babe. Me talk to Papi and he not here, you know. Every time I come to him with the truth, he rush me.
Alright, that's simple mathematics. Alright, but different from that, though, it's song sound. I'm not worried about that, you know, because I'm not doing, man. I'm good, man. Like, me know that that's stage. If I catch him already, now do it again. Just run him out.
You know what, Chopper?
I know body, so I'm in the street, like, when I'm in the street, you know, body in the street, man. You know what I mean?
So we deal with it.
This is what I go on, man. This is what I make a mad link coming down on the road. You see it?
But anyways, babe, this song good, man. You know you can't sing and all. I did it for you.
Yeah, man, some people, most of them come some people hear it. You see it? Come like how it sound.
I love it.
and things so. You want to play back again?
Yes, man, play back. Give me one deep meditation right now.
Alright, I'm going to go and listen to me and go check.
Alright.
Can I road and come back? Just go and listen and if you don't fall tonight or anything. And, you know, you come
Yeah,
and
man.
tell me anything about it. You try to find it back on the phone. Because them gadgets you see. Them gadgets are not normal. Alright. Richard, one play. Show forward, yeah?
Alright.
I'm blind, I'm blind, I'm blind. I'm blind by love.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. You see it? So, yeah, man. What about my general? Yeah, man. Okay, I look at things I go down, you know. I really want to get full understanding of what I go on still. You know, so we're not in another world again still, you know. I really want to go back to that place there again still, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man. Fear warrior down on the flat there. We call him again. Yeah, man. Him same one, man. Yeah, give me a shout for me there. Yeah, man. I'm down on my block, you know, on my live, yeah. Then come page me now, something urgent, you know what I mean? You know how far where I come from and I see the morning. Yeah, man, I'm up on the front, just make him page me there now. You see it in my yard. Ah, that's our word.
Yo, a black send me come in a fire.
Me hear say my girlfriend look caught in some altercation over some girl business, you know what I mean? So, I'm just looking at it get and I say, yo, you not to make no sense and no done. We want them to fight over some girl because in the day, you don't profit no man nothing. No money upon that. And so I say, when the energy could have spent and make some money. As I say, because I must say, you know, if you run out of youth down here, I'm not vibes, you're not going to be me now. You know, say, you're in a problem. That don't make no sense. So go have a girl when you lock up or you want to kill another. You know what I mean? So I go see one of we and talk to him and say, anyway, you see that girl, you stay far from that girl because you're a girl. You know what I mean? I don't know if him and the girl none of dealings or whatever, but I think it's sensible for each other kill one another. You know what I say? Look into the payments, man. Because a long time we are crush road, you know. But we are crush road to make money. And not faith to petty crime over some local flesh. You know what I mean? So now worry yourself. Enough of girl about the place, get one new one. Plus the one we have already. I'm not saying, when you see that one, then left that one there. And that's because you know all the thing run from long time, man. Yeah, man. Because if you feel link, ask them. Enough time, we go up on some place and we go crush our ends and we go do some things and they say, yo, love that one day. And we love it. So that's the same respect we have to have a mutual people who are on earth. You know what I say? So we know the thing, go, man. So just big up yourself and just want to talk to your eye about, man. You know what I mean? Because you them young, as a young youth. You know what I say? So, him don't know what he do. So me only can shout him and I talk to him and say, yo, so what the thing as a one that make the thing just run. You see it? Burn it down to your young general.
See right, man. Burn it up, man.
You see it?
Get it.
Oh, go on.
Hey, why them are sweet?
How much better that sweet? It's so on a blows.
See, I mean, I eat the right apple. If you the apple, and the bad apple.
I don't know, man.
So, you know what kind of woman's wrong with you? But your man. But you not too like me small, you know, go on like you love me, I not too tell him. But let me say me talk. But the me tell you, I go pay me extra.
So I pay for talk. Talk about one. What one?
You're not supposed to know more than me. Because any girl take my man, hey, thank God, I don't have a man, I have my own. And I beat me.
But you don't tell her we are here. We are here.
Hello, I. Pick it up.
And you talk to?
Yes, you talk. Your sister, I take my man. So, I want you for 1 hour. Because anytime I see her, I go beat her. Straight.
You sure say my sister and your man there?
Yes, sister.
And you me talk to you? You realize that you may talk to me. I'm not talking to you. What you say? Talk to me.
Look here now, me I give a message for tell her, no make me see her, none at all. None at all, else I got a problem.
You don't talk?
Yeah, me don't talk.
Listen to me now. So as a man talk to a woman, that means they're dead. Nobody can talk to nobody again, they're happy there.
I never that right. Yes, them a breathe. The girl a breathe.
You say my sister breathe for her husband. Whole tree underneath the man knowing this. My baby sister has me bigger than her now.
That's a
I 3 away, and I'm my biggest one. And my little sister, my baby sister, who no contact separate for your husband. Girl,
Why
you
she
see,
can't find a
listen
man
to
for
me now.
herself? No.
She have her own man. She have her own man.
I know my man. Me don't have a man at night.
So make you a take up so you're a sister man, you're different, so like you are your sister man there too.
Me say thank God me never want a man.
Oh no, me not understand. You know.
You want me to say yes, anytime I want her.
One big calamity.
She and her sister?
She have your sister.
Three the hard way.
Never want him to go no. Hold that. You, hold that. Yo, hold that.
Right. Right. Remember me tell you. Wait till we fuck you. And the pity baby, I just say my great picture, I lick out the pity out time I come up on one. Remember me telling you. Remember me tell you, the sister saying the same side, they say when she see back on it in her room. Yeah, anything you care now?
I don't want your name from. You can't touch me, sister, and you don't touch me, sister. Pass up on the face.
We are going to beat you.
You can't touch me, girl. You don't have no own. You see how you push out that, girl? Like you have to be a man, you have to spread your bed, go brush your teeth, you put them dry now, go lotion your foot. You're not go brush your teeth. Hey, girl, anytime you see me, sister, touch you. Try and warn me, sister, how no bad, girl. Try and warn me, sister, how no bad. I want to see what you do. Hey, I want to see what you got answer. Go show no pepper.
Action feel all that word. My mom tells you, turn me on my phone.
Come on, sis. Come on. I'm too like.
How you do that?
Girl, just let me in.
Come here. Got nobody back here?
No, girl. Push up your arm. Come in. Yeah, no, man. Your man not there.
Gonna studio. I did the one little piece and then call it. You burn me.
But the money you gotta make, girl, ain't it easy?
Yeah, I'm telling you, just go on.
You love peace. Every time you come here, you want to give man peace, eh? You're so breathe.
Then if you might do it good, we expect.
Anyways, girl, I know this time I come down here find a girl. I come down here if you can lend me something. Run up in one little bankruptcy. One little piece of money more you lend me.
What kind of bankruptcy run up in?
I don't like deal with the sis. If you lend me, you know me as a girl like this and really come to you, you know. So you know me have a little problem and I come there, just try see if I can help out. How are you, man?
That's why I'm after you.
Come here, call the boy, yeah, and he not answer.
When I go do no cause I have no money. Right now, King Ghana studio for collect some US money and sitting. I depend on right now for cultivate up your house and buy grocery.
We go up to Abby and see if Abby can let me see me here.
Yeah man, try your thing.
Yeah, I go. I'll let back it up.
Yeah, how that?
Make you teleport there.
I say, girl, you man go cheat look before down at Abby the son. Me don't me a good on Abby girl. Me see two boy. I want my say turn back. So me say turn back now. I'm not going like me afraid, you know. Me a walk. Well, me a walk now. I want my say turn round. Look, me see them a come. Girl, if you can't talk, Lord God, let me know why they chase me. I say, me come, girl.
Why you put yourself in this situation?
I don't put myself in a situation. I see me calling and say me want the money. And you know have them say me go leave Abby.
Come on, you carry them down here.
How are you going?
B, what do you remember for it? Take a frighten.
Me no know a boy. Them two boy a trace me. If you run, me not good on me. Me not good on me.
Alright. Where are you?
I think we make you sleep in so.
Please, I beg you.
You don't know me no want go making go out there here saying the morning. We know I said it want to rest a fear something.
Want to rest, I want the time for you right now. Mr. Man,
Let me say. You have an earphone?
It's not too like this, it's not too like your man.
No, listen, man.
Calm down.
No, I said if you want to sleep, you can sleep. But I said put in an earphone.
I don't have no earphone.
I'm going to get one and lend you.
Alright.
I have one there. Lend him an earphone. Let me see earphone.
So you want King Rasta?
I don't. Do your one thing.
Go down there.
We have to talk a morning because I don't understand.
Go down there this. Go down there. Anytime. I can't believe you come and say last me like. But they come down here, your man come with the money when I get the money back and I'm going to go.
Not true. But just go and chill out yourself till tomorrow. We rectify what can go on after that.
So sleeping, I said to you. Alright.
You comfortable?
Hey girl, just keep washing when I cover with you.
I won't even remember nothing about that. I mean right now, me just I wonder where the hell I'm going. I'm curious, man. You go on your bed left me?
No, man. But that's the fire there I get hot. Fire just cool down.
That's how you go, man. You know what I have a long life. You know you have to help sister. Brother Henry.
I know go to your sister, you know.
Brother Henry.
Yes, dear.
Come here just a sec. Good morning.
Morning, sister.
You know, say, some money missing over me yard last night. I mean, I want to accuse nobody. You know about Bible and key?
Of course, sister.
Alright. Then come now.
It's just gonna take a sec. Alright. I don't know where family them stay so. You understand? Then I take out, you grow them and I feel putting them, you know. But me I tell you, the look short one, the family look for me and see my teeth. The next one, me don't know him what. I think I should give him seat and water. Yes!
brother. That's all I do.
No, so I'm up on the can, I'm going to hold out, man, I do the thing them say.
You know nobody want to know, you used to buy.
You know what say? No, my brother wants some, you used to buy. Now, you say it live, I know?
I call for my, I mean, brother, I put some money here, so. You call him up and see if you can.
Yeah, man, you can't make a call. So, can I go and drink some, like,
No
how things
problem,
move
man.
forward, man? You can't drink a juice till the thing
Man,
forward.
see all the kill where I make you drink.
Go on, here.
Mama P! No joke.
That's a special.
I make you call the boy, I make you drink already.
Yeah, man, link make man supposed to. On a one phone call,
Yeah,
you know.
210 for me, no. I have money for me, I'm hot to the man.
Mama, you have to put in the liquor stuff.
Put it up, brother, man, does sure, sir. I left you drink it, you come here, just go down your road and forward.
Mama, that's style, man. Put in some,
Bad man, quick. Hold it, phone ring. Hello? Alright then, me a forward. Now go try with it, just make it link, me a go down your road and come back.
What's that?
Make it link now, me a go down your road and come. Yeah, man. Black one. Rock, what you did there?
There, you must be there, water some flowers, you know.
Me know my best what you did there, you never there.
You must say me in that town, you know.
Oh, so you come back now, so you good?
Yeah, man, me there, you know.
Yeah, so now time I go down the road and say, you know.
No, stop. What go on, Papa?
I know, so me there, me G, why you?
They are going to hold it off, you know. So where's the fear, man?
I know, so me a fly out of Mosa, you see buy.
I say General get killed.
Now I go on here, so. I can't wait now, go on. And more wait now, come from going here, I'm free food.
Come on, Matt. Talk to your family, them coming. I really want to get from the wrong side this morning. You know.
Alright, so here what gonna happen now. Me miss some money. Me not even say good morning or not. Me upset. Me miss some money last night. And me and my man have an argument in there. Saying put it down under there. Now we don't see it. You understand me? So me carry past there so if you do buy blanket you find out who thief the money. And that I hit.
I'm no past that deal.
So you call me on here for? What me get it back?
What me I say now?
The way me upset, me didn't remember saying no pastor, but
Alright. What me want to try to say, because my mama well upset. Me take up to my money. But me want to clarify this, right? Because you go on now. Two are never there, never come. But you know I be a witness. You know what I mean? But you there last night.
First of all, Bible and key no real. So you can't come and contact
Hello, you cannot say this stone real.
First of all, I have a thing I worry about now. And you will take the money.
When we come see in your house, the house left wide. You say the house wide open, I never understand it, but when they go away, I search the money and can't find it. I ask mama said, and him take it for she me believe in her, you know. For she take you up.
Yo, I don't want you to get me back.
You don't want to look at my name, can't call upon this, because this is not real.
Nobody say, you know. A piece never out today, you know. We don't like get out of the bag of nice, you know. So what we want to do you now? We want to calm down. Me and a family in law. Me not say no a thief, you know. I go wait for the deacon to tell me no thief my money coming and a long talking, you know.
You know what I'm saying? I read the Psalms already and I'm going to call everybody name. Down to the owner name have to call.
It's a call.
Yeah. So anybody knows it, then do it from now, talk. Because
that slackness, they come and call about where thief with money.
So you seem so guilty, man.
Me better
Why you so guilty? Come here. I need help on this one. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by the true living God, if I kill the thief, the money spin. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by the true living God, if I king thief the money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by the true living God, if I Abby take the money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by the true living God, if I eat thief the money.
Problem. See, you don't take no. Don't look for me.
Brother, I'm not taking no money. Don't look for me. First of all, this not real. This not real. Sis, we sleep with her, sis. You see when me take money?
Why you do this to me? Why?
When I go tap tea,
When I kill up my blood pressure, cause this not real.
Me tell us you're the only money we have to buy groceries.
The man can't look for me like that thing. I me take money, I take no money in a Rasta boy.
How much money?
I take no money in a Rasta boy.
It's you. Don't look for me. It's you.
Me take money.
You're cussed from
You see me take
before.
money.
You're cussed.
You
No,
see me
listen,
take money.
listen. You're cussed from before the Bible spin.
Guilty and
So
guilty.
you're guilty. You lose right there.
First time I'm supposed to cuss because you don't call me
Tell us
because
you're
foolish. Me
cheating.
think I wed now go and come and say pastor.
No, you love your belly too much because the first thing you come and say, I'm food.
Come me think I
Right.
wed now come and come. Brother,
Don't mix my husband in anything, please.
you come and blame like
No,
I'm
you need to stop. You need to stop.
And you me take it
stop.
then. Tell them the truth then.
Tell us how she take the money
Hey,
and
boy,
the
me
thief
lick
thing,
your
girl.
face, no, boy.
Lick with her
Easy,
face.
boy.
Look.
Why easy, boy.
You can't fight us. Oi. Remember
You're
you're bigger
guilty.
one.
Some of the family are thief.
Thief, boy, you see me thief.
No, I cannot accuse him. You must say. Me not accuse you, but the money don't have food for walk.
You know, say, one link did the right just a while ago. But here we go on. Then gone down the road, but I'm not sure which part down the road they gone. So I make a link round the back here, because I did see her talk to someone. And just link you back. So don't, I can give me 15 minutes. Alright, man, I make a link right now, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, not say 40. Chop. Yeah. Blacks.
Yeah, me boy.
How going with Papa?
Yeah, me there, brother, do some weeding up in the yard, you know.
Yeah, man.
No?
So, you know, say, me I look for one. You see one short, fat girl pass or so.
Yeah, man.
Which part thing go?
You know, say she gone over next door over her sister yard. Eh?
Over yard, over here, so?
Yes, man.
Oh, alright. Respect. Later than all.
What are you
Wait, where you wasting? Where you wasting? Yeah. Fire them.
Eve! The man say want you as some way to buy up road there.
Me tell the man say me a come man. You know man. Yo, what's money then?
Are you?
I'm change. Me feel weak. You just see him run down the man say.
One thing I tell you, go to her and get the USM for her because she not spend it yet. Because you want change, you can't change, you can't spend at a certain place.
You look a percentage when I give you that now. I see how we're just squeeze the snap in your pocket.
So what come on you road now, yeah?
Come on, come.
Come
Want the money, pass the money.
Oh, you mean come money, me bigger
If a man come to your ground there and done so when you have to say, come give me one.
money.
See the face. You have to tap thief.
Can't style me.
You know what I'm saying? I change.
God, I find cross on the sheet if your money, you know.
All Bible and key. You turn down and say nothing no go so.
And I'm taking
How
money.
you feeling of yourself now?
No must feel good. I'm a certified thief. We're going to just tell us this look
Make me $100.
One away. Come on, girl.
And now you can't style me.
You see, Eve, she come up here.
Now, I mean, I don't have nothing to do with she. I wash my hand clean. You can just imagine how I feel, girl. I tell her, you know, you see money will come in, she'd come and say she want money for buy, right? I tell her, I say, I don't have it at the moment because money I forget I have to buy grocery because none in our house. And the girl thief the one money we have.
But she not come apologize or nothing. She not carry it back.
Apologize. You know for my sister. Remember say when he's smaller, in thief out mommy milk and make it wall up, mommy stretch out the wall away hand and go so with knife.
But at the end of the day, you know, where you know if you forgot. Remember, say, fear father when thief, you know, and they have a saying, say, what drop off a head, drop on shoulder. So your face looks so.
Because as I talk about Eve, you dey talk about thief. Eve, thief. The girl have me upset right now. She make me have to go up and fasting. Look here.
Judge.
You understand? Me have to go up and fasting the money. But yo, just to think about it, let me grieve. As long as me live, me no want have nothing to do with Eve.
Don't say that.
Why me not fi say that?
Don't say that. Remember, we are sisters.
Right now, the way me feel, she the write a song hard for digest the forgiveness part. hard to digest because me wash my hand half I don't have nothing to do with him.
Me nah left from out here so until you start talk back, so prepare for it.
What that's supposed to mean?
You have to talk back.
No? So where you a go? So planting. I said to set me up. After she make me have to go up on fasting for a couple days well free money went thief.
I want you to apologize to your sister and talk to her about what you did the other day. Because I now left till everything start out.
Every turn around then no. Sis, you don't know say I say you come down sometime. You say, if I really want to even come here and show you a little pre what go on with you.
You expect me to feel when I know say I want like money to buy food for me and man eat. You gone with.
I'm not tell you, I'm sorry, I already look at things good on in my life, you know, sis. I remember say at the end of the day, from a little, you know, mommy ever tell me say I'm my father. Not your sis. Yeah. I'm my father, sis, and then say, why not rat in a muscle?
I want you to talk to your sister. And I want you to tell her, say you're sorry and you ask for forgiveness. So, start. May I listen?
Yeah, because you go and kill him. So we live, I'm telling you, I'm sorry. I'm never did take your money, you know, man.
Of course.
That's the way I kill up yourself,
so
man.
Come
you forgive me, man. You forgive me.
You forgive your man.
Eh? Yeah, hug me up.
Tap him, man.
Yeah, give me a hug. Nah, give me a hug.
You can wind up in your body, Chuck.
So no, they are do differently still. You forgive me, talk it to you.
You forgive your man, but you have to change. That man go kill you if you do then sit in the car. And I must me out tea from this time, you know. Next time,
no man, put on this in the man. So I go in that church, you know, sis.
You, church.
Forgive me, man. But when I look more the days, I told me that, man. We are man, I just go on the road after I look.
Me I got a bathroom. Alright.
You ever look good?
Good on the road to one boy and sing to you, now come and have me up on the little thing that sister go on with worry, man. There's nothing cool in the house to drink.
No, I'll check.
Go check. I'm looking. This now no money. So. Father God, me just. God now send me. You can't search my side and you can't put it. Girl, look what drinks come now, sis. That's one of them places that you know can never have nothing else with the Rasta man, you know, man.
Who no, the Rasta man.
No, man, joke me and make my mom ever run look jokes sometimes.
Wait, I'll be there. So long. The backside.
You know, go and look at my teeth in order for your bathroom and think I'm alone a thief and everybody
are you one always do the thieving? Abby, oi! Abby! I went text so long. Must have the number 2.
Good on. Good on. I say a big. Go over, man. Me give you a problem. Not true. Me tell you.
One answer, come and ask yes and I tell somebody go down on the road. Go link somebody.
You ever have somebody feeling?
Have somebody feeling.
Bang where you go, man?
No, just see. Boy, the local drinks, car. Me walk.
Go on, man.
Later, sis.
Yeah.
Oh, go on.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, man, you alright?
Yeah,
I'm
just
sister.
there.
You
There,
good?
man. You're good.
Alright.
Sis, take care of yourself. I'll call him and reach up, alright?
Yeah, man. Take care of her for me, you know.
Alright.
Later.
Yeah, man, alright.
Where my money?
What money you not talk about no, man? Which
Give me my money.
Jesus Christ.
You can't do that, but calm down now. When in trouble my money, you never get what you say. We are one sisters. You know she always thief. And it not gonna change. So what you expect I go happen? You did see our father. Don't have your father that come from.
She fi stop it, man. Me know she. You know say yesterday me go in the supermarket after me take up 1 ton load of something, you know. What a lucky thing me have me card.
Remember say they call me and show me pre.
Me want my money now go say no. You're too thief, man.
Calm down. Remember say a roadside with day. You don't want nobody know.
Is either you left your money or you lost the money, now come blame me. What kind of heart would I have to come beg you forgive me? I'm a thief again. Me top thief from the night. there. Me not take nobody else. I'm take your money the night there. I'm cut morning. I'm cut. Me don't thief again. So no rest me no man. You know say this grace and I bring no on me.
That's why you have to change your dirty ways.
Me and you know sir she taking money, not true.
Me not take your money, man. Me not take your money. Okay, I really look it. Me not take no money, man. Me not take no money. No rest off for me. Me not take no money, brother. If I'm taking one, me top thief.
And time for you stop. There's a place and time for everything.
Hello. Yeah, where you there? Me up on the road. Better Miss Rosie show with my sister. Alright. Do you do me the right there, so? Alright. Hey. Please, myself, I want client.
You ever have clients?
Yeah, alright. No have them.
You need to stop the way you do. That's why I have to tell you, go get in a life if you not stop the way you do.
But there, come in the bus, man. So you see now, you can't move?
Yeah, move and I'm just there with my sister. But when I want you to circle me, my boy, next 2 hours, so. I'm saying I need money to buy something. Don't just tell me to buy chicken. Don't just want to start off a business, man. So,
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. Me have it, man.
you there, have it? Yo,
Me have it.
Yeah, so I just go put it down and just circle me back by me just ring you when me ring you and then time you come and understand.
Alright, do we have to do and me just circle back then?
Hey? Come on, just circle me back. I call him, I tell him I go call you know.
Alright.
There,
The big one.
What one?
Now go on, I have some phone, but come on.
What is that?
Girl, with the on the roadside.
Come on, go over here, we talk about that.
Look at you up thing this.
You've not there, no?
Yo, come like a style thing your sister there, you know.
That phone business, not mine.
Yo, you know, from when me out here call and she tell me to come back on, she kind of 2 hours now and she not there. A joke thing that, you know. A style, she try to style me, you know. 100,000 me just give your sister, you know.
A lie.
But that good still, that good. Yo, look at me.
Hey, go and tell sister this.
Come. Steve, whenever you.
Relax, I think I have to malaga.
Steve, whenever you take the money long time, nobody knows say I'm you. Let go of me.
Listen.
Remember say I'm my quad. Let go.
You can't handle man of God, so.
Man of God what?
You cannot do them.
Man of God what?
God will see you.
What's your name?
You should not thief the money. I told you already.
Thief what?
Or you will do that to your own sister.
You this to me thief money. You see you this to me thief money.
Listen. I did not see you. But the Bible not lying.
Let go from me hand. Let go from me hand. One.
Shout you, you move so.
I say I feel me cold, man. Sin what? You see me take money and come with a wicked Bible.
No, the Bible not lying.
Are you this God right? Whenever you know they will know some thief your money. You say
Listen, you cannot steal your
Yo, broke up this. Easy, Deacon, everything good. Easy, man. Easy, I'm here. Easy, man. Come on, we are going down the road. Are you thief money? I go like you
Me thief money.
Come on, man. Come on, we are going down the road. Come on. You're coming just like a man. Go on down the road.
Good day. What happened to you now? You again? What happened to you?
Yeah, me again. You know, say your sister me stung there wait for.
Me?
Yeah, cause this a time you know, me give her 50,000.
Eh?
Yeah, me give her 50,000 and she said we have a link up and all now.
So first I did 100, and you know, seemed that the time there, I know you're gonna give him 50 again. That means I no rate on tall. You understand me? But anyways, I gotta check over there if she over there.
Alright, do that. Hello. So me can call him from private number.
Me not private my number and call them and I told me no dey bout phone them and I no clip on my phone.
Yeah, out of your place, me there I wait for you from when. You know, say I be a general and style be.
No man, me no can you man. I just want little family thing come up man and I have to run go up there.
Yeah, be a style me. We say the sentence. So we are sentence.
Them dey up a sentence man up on people them. No man, me no can you man. I just want little family thing come up man and I have to run go up there. Me soon come back down, man. When me come back down, me link you. I post me a link as me come. The more over me, I go make you pick me up. Alright.
If you say so. Alright, so me link in a week then, Zane?
Alright, later. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Style.
Me not. You say I go to man. Me not style, man. Me gonna man.
You know what she not did I do?
I know, say she me just talk to on the phone.
Eh?
Yeah, she me just talk to on the phone. She said she not come down. She does sentence and she not come down till in a week.
Okay, alright, and I hope I get that money then.
Alright, yeah man.
If you come check him about 2 minutes feel good from when I go answer man. Don't tell us say yeah, you have a bad day for me. You see me? So that's why I say me sick from when you know. Sick with the my thing 3 months but
You're sick 3 months?
you don't know what begin and money can't begin go.
Boy, you talk. You're sick, boy, you talk.
So me man feel with woman sickness. Maybe
Me
that's
know.
why I not come link your friend with man. But you said man, me not grow nothing.
Yo, my girl, just stop growing, man. Cause I know a thing.
I buy my box food then.
Me not buy nothing again until you call link me. Call link me up on my yard.
What you want me to make you up to you? I come there, come cook food for you.
Yeah,
Right now?
right now.
Alright, so I go on, go bed, and come like, check your hair. Yeah, man, make
But I ramp with me, you know.
nah, ramp with you. Just say I come cook for you.
Say me
You
I
have
promise.
everything, you have everything. You have everything when I can cook. Or give me money and buy everything I shop then.
No, man, I buy you and come.
Alright, yeah.
I buy. Me not wallet from.
Yeah, alright. Me I go up with bed and come.
Yo, my girl, me say no ramp with me, you know.
Mwah. Mwah.
Why? Hey! Watch me, yo. Not even say 40. But watch. Wait till we catch What you know? Yeah,
How uno me I look for it, uno you me I look for. Me just see a matey in a shot. When me follow you go back for your man, his birthday up the road. I'm just see girl.
My matey, in a my man shot.
Shot see you by your man for your birthday.
What you are doing? I'm a man shot.
But check your belly again.
How much shots there? I want shots there. You hear that?
Belly and eyes. So this wall is down.
Where am I man in now?
She can't breathe, I catch feelings.
Say me can't breathe, that have to do with you. I ask you a question if I'm a man.
You
breathe,
can breathe,
yes or
but
no.
me can't do it. Yes, your man may breathe for a walk.
I feel like your long sister can't save a girl.
It's like you know my sister. You know my sister Candy?
Yeah,
it come like on a claw. Make my sister hear about it. So move out of my way. Yeah, you're a long mouth sister. But I'm bright.
Take it, find something, give me that.
Hey, flip me. Dog, you look like him dead.
Forget, man.
You look like him dead, dog.
That thing forget.
Yo, search him back. Where am I?
She not dead.
Yo.
Come on. She dead for sure.
Open him. Don't touch him.
Hey.
My youth. Lift up the man, give the woman hand. Watch out. Lift him up now. I would send him down.
Hey.
Hold him up down. Come.
Come left him here, something.
Yeah, idiot.
Nobody knows.
Why not see after that bag of knives, you know, or you expect me to be here and hurry up. You it's alright, you know, no problem.
So how me not see a church and when? Every week, me I look for you and me not see you. How you hide from God? Eh?
Me not come for your church again. I be a hypocrite in a fear church.
Yeah, you can't talk about hypocrite. And the next thing again, you couldn't tell me to your sister breed and look how long me I look her. Eh? And you make man fat up her belly.
You a false person. About your deacon. You is no better than the pew. We in your church. That's the reason why me stop going to your church. You a deacon and they look what my sister. Eh? And a teacher, you should have teach me about God. You don't have your wife. Where your wife there?
In life, you have to test every water. You can't just run go married. Don't follow what my pastor say. I have to test the water. That's why sometimes you see me in a church. I'm a fan. Sometimes when he take me, you know, wonder where me I look. But anyway, otherwise than that, you can't, come on, man. You know me love a little girl. And you move so with me. Me ain't a friend long time, man.
That water that you're talking about, you shall drown in it. Nobody with my sister.
Which water that you're talking about? Which water me I go drown in? I only sample the seas and the rivers. So me don't know which water you are talking about. So come clean.
Why you a debate about water? No, you are talking about my sister. You feel you can use the head for me? Eh? Don't use the head for me, my youth, and leave my sister out of this. She don't want you.
You're not from a man. I never see you come to church with a husband. And that's why you now get no, you're too miserable. You must have to go juggle up and let the deacon free. You can't hide the sister from me.
You see, man like Uno we sound a deacon, me not talk a good deacon them. You see, you know, you and the rest of deacon them will behave like Uno. I look, all of the girls them outside and the people them in our church is a bunch of cacamammies.
Listen, you ever look on the television and see a deacon get locked up behind the hedge? And mostly pastor. We deacon, we love the bigger woman them. We love them because them can bear a child. But you make another man bear it. And I need that child. I can't believe you, man. I see you at the angle, me, so enough time my TV collection plate give you.
That's how when you used to look me. You did half the TV come give me. But who God bless no man curse. You know, sister, I don't want no more money from you because you're broke and you always thief and I don't like thieving, man. You're bright.
So what about you look a high horse friend there? The one that me always say I go gambling with, you know? I kind of like her, because you know, say your sister.
My friend. So, you left from my sister to my friend.
What about this? What you say?
I should have said good evening.
Right.
And I'm sorry.
Okay. And what you should say now?
Good evening.
Good evening. Can you couldn't tell you good evening?
Little boy.
Yes?
You did tell me good evening?
No.
Go on, which party they go?
Alright.
I see you come down?
Right. Come down and go up, no one go. Don't talk to me. Where you paying for my friend for? No, my sister, you just talk about...
Come on, man. Evening, Shorty.
Good evening.
Hallelujah. I was inviting Candy to church later. You coming?
So Candy, you go?
Me don't tell this a idiot you say. Me not go back in church. Ludi me say. What you say?
Come on then, we don't have no time
come on,
to waste.
Ludi, where you go?
Shorty, come here.
Right
come here.
now.
Come here, Shorty. Just for a second. I mean, Deacon, you really are going to it. At the rate where they go on now, pastor, they go out jail. So, you know, so me next in line. We just wait for me pastor to go out jail. I will start make money. And you get up. Can you want me to off? Fast in my business. Later, I talk to you.
You get 6. You want? Right behind me.
Yeah, man, around the back.
Come again, Ken.
Can't believe my sister takes so long to come. How long me call her and she said she's on the way. I wonder if I suck my to her.
You probably look, man.
Look which man? The man that me wait for her.
Yeah, man, she talk, man.
What kind of man argument you know talk about if people on the man? Maybe all police stop them on the road or something. I don't know she takes so long, maybe I'll have to go give her a call again. Yo, play, you're just up in a people business, so me talk about my sister here coming in argument. I don't know she takes so long. Why she takes so long? Maybe I'll have to go call her back again and see if she alright on the road. Yo, me soon come back. Me go look at me.
I don't need any game.
Me not done the game, but look how long me call my sister and now she dey on the way, me dey on the way, me dey on the way, me dey on the way.
Alright, cool, me
I don't know if a
understand.
police stop them. Me no know, me go look for my phone and give her a call. Cause me have to go meet her when she come out there, so. Alright, go on play, man. Yeah, man. Alright, cool.
Sexy girl.
Alright.
So, pleasant day, madam. So, just
Good day,
before we get into it, I'm going to get some information from you, and this is standard procedure, right?
Okay, no problem.
So, yes, I'm Constable Lawrence from the Barnett Street Police Station. So, I'm going to record your name. What's your name, miss?
Chantel Muir.
And what's your date of birth?
8th of the 3rd, 1983.
Can I have a contact number for you?
365 551.
And what's the address?
Curry Street, we're in a Dunsville corner at Hanover.
Alright, so what is the relation between you and the person that is missing?
Oh, she's my sister, the smallest one.
So the last time you saw her, what was she wearing?
Can't recall.
So I'm going to write you a CR10, madam, and we can continue the procedures at the station, alright?
Why you can't look for my sister right now? Would I like if you don't right now, you know? Are you a lie, you know?
Hold on. Let me see if I understand you clearly. You're saying that I should go and look for your sister now?
But who not supposed to go look for my sister because, me must go look for my sister by myself?
I did not say that, you know, madam, but you have to understand, I am not the entire JSF, you know.
Me understand, you know, officer, but I'm my sister, you know. And right now, me stress out and can't take this no more. Nobody can tell me about no supervisor and no police station, you know. Because you come to me, so you me I deal with. Me want you figure get the other police them for help. You look for my sister, you can tell me about to come a police station. But, yo, that's why some people disrespect someone, you know. Look at me and I talk to you good. A matter of fact, why you look at me drives them? And me you come to talk about the business when me come to talk to you about, or you come to fast in my drive. Stop look at me drives them, so man.
Alright. It's a sin signal like when people deal with no good. And me come down to fear level. You think more fear? You don't pay me a month time, you know? You understand me? You don't pay me a... As a matter of fact, a little girl where they are look for a good riding, going out the road, going ride, and me there have to come and me deal with that night. And them drive mash up jaws, I look mash up like it to on the face to backside like pitch. Hey, woman. You think my friend for them I sit down one minute for that as a matter of fact?
I ring yourself with me. I feel with money you now get tax for your money. Right.
Police, don't stay.
You can't tear up the paper, but boy, you see you, me sorry to me call you up here. Watch you.
Candy, away the policeman.
When me do the policeman, before you come ask me what policeman said to me, you come ask me about when me do policeman. Me do policeman anything? After me call a little dirty police boy up to tell him about my sister when missing, he might come go on like he wants to tell me. Not even know if he chat to people.
Candy, calm down. You're too aggressive, man. Me know say your sister missing, you know. But you're not happy to behave, so me know say you're unhappy.
Girl, if you don't have nothing good to tell me, man, yo, now you no argument with me. You're worse than the police boy. Where you come to me about? Me and your friend and you come up here and style me.
Alright, Candy, I come up here to tell you so I can help you look for your sister. Get ready and I go up on your road.
Me fi go and go bed. Me nah bed, me just a change my clothes. Me nah bed until me find my sister.
Kelly. How that? Kelly.
Hmm?
Girl, me afraid to hell.
You don't even know right now, dog. Me don't want King know this, you know?
Girl, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do? Really and truly, what we really gonna do?
Yo, me afraid to know youth. You see what man cause?
This one I just left a boy and done here, man.
Kelly. Yo, how that? Ratty, don't you know where I come from, dog? Down here. I'm going to come here, then.
Where you come from?
Where you come from? I'm in trouble. It's for you. We don't do it.
Don't do what? Don't.
Take time and talk, Eve.
Take time and talk, Eve. I'm mentioning that this is not a fee, man.
But you can't tell me news when we see his sister. When we see his sister pass, you know, tell we see a she that I'm going to go.
And you was
still stop on the nice and media, man.
You think me a single, you know?
Yo. Right now, me a mad girl because I don't know if the girl alright, yes or no.
Yo, me no want King.
Take time and talk.
Me no want King know nothing about this, you know. Anyhow, him know me dead because me have a massage school for do. You understand me? And him they want me to indulge in this none at all.
Him they want to indulge how you come like.
Because we are sisters. We have to have one another back.
And me have my hustling to continue going till I come out of post till the day I die now. But you,
are you licky girl, you know?
Neck time. I take myself out of head. I feel, man.
And you must have my head come like it a bus right now.
You know, make it bus so I go bury you.
All we have to do, we go tomorrow, see if we see her.
What time tomorrow?
You don't mind me go and see him because I know he's dead.
But
if we go and we don't see him, you know, say he's not dead, it'll be that problem.
Glad you know.
A big 4 days we have to go. We can't go broad in daylight now, idiot.
The wickedest part of it, remember, say, Candy no say.
You see it? We don't give ourselves early. When you prepare for me, go in the phone.
Hey, look into this. You see, if she's dead and Candy can't find his sister, are we the eyeball out upon him?
And that me I try tell you now.
How we see her around and check him, you know?
It's at 4:30.
4:30. Make we meet up 4:30.
Yes, hon?
Oh, well, I'm going to listen.
Hey.
No, go on. Where's the kid out?
Me hot, man, me hot. Let's see me a hug. Yeah, move so. Come in now.
No, I'm just
No, sir, I'm ready to do.
Alright, so. Sorry, babe.
There, honey.
Remember say 5:30. 4:30. We have to figure out clinic.
Yeah, I can't buy nothing.
Best if I
Yo, girl,
just me.
see some money on.
Kelly, yeah, man. 4:30 now. Remember we have to go early enough to get your number.
Yeah. Alright, brother.
Alright, you know, travel see you.
I love you too, like you sometimes, but
If I don't, oh, yeah, man, you know I stay, mama. I want to look like in Japan for bed, man.
that's true.
How much time in Japan kid when he's small?
You don't know.
You just give yourself trouble. I can't, you can't know what will come out time out next. Anytime you see, sometimes you see me on the road, let's hide. I don't want to see me, can't you see me just chat there foolish.
Enough of shame.
Can I tell you though, some studio work with the other fan, you play some songs at speed. Come and go do one local work after we go to studio. So you go do the fan. So the pay mine, it looks so like, so I'll go on.
Because they are meds, you know. And I wonder how you take so long to come in, because normally you come in 8:30, and this time you come in later.
Oh, but my time, you know, I think that sometime early, sometime late. That's just feel the thing go. So, well tonight.
Me have to go nursing place 4:30 with Abby, so just kind of get head kind of stuff there.
We can come for it, we can sweat still. Something else will show and things at speed. You know what I mean? So, where's the idea go do? What about the schooling thing? For nursing? Where's the go and feed?
It's good. Remember I said tomorrow I not have no class. I go at the clinic with Abby 4:30 in the morning. So I want to sleep early.
You have to know where you put first, you know, priority. You prioritize the things that you do. You know what I mean? Yeah. I want to be there, come be there. I don't like to have your face neither too, you know.
I have to take off the bump them.
Mama, they are better things to put your face.
So I put on my face.
Make it tan. You laugh too much. You're right, you go put your face, you know, and you put money.
You're going, you know.
Candy, what? You find your sister?
Fine, sister. Right now, I'm worried, my girl. I don't know where she is. You know, long me wait for her to come and I can't find her. I have to go walk up and down right now and look on some street if I see her. Because I don't know if something wrong with her.
No worry yourself. Me help you find your sister. Where and where look already?
I go up and I go down and I don't see her.
Alright, come and go on a back road, go look for her.
How was the day?
It was good, you know, busy, and you know I go usual.
Always busy. So just there and be, I miss you.
Miss you more.
So you eat already?
I cook.
No, somebody don't cook, but the gas go run out for me. Somebody just wait till you come. I feel like I could have get to a gas man at this time.
Nothing so, babe. Someone I get, I just go home and make something.
But you know me not like the dry food in a man.
Where I get gas now?
I don't maybe I can
Yeah,
just
that's
come
true.
go up here go get something ready.
Yeah, man.
But what may I say is the shorts I buy you for your birthday, you wait there.
You know, say, the shorts say, the shorts say, we were go river what day. The same shorts say.
Yeah.
You know, say, I think me left in the bus there, you know. Now back, you never wash.
Which part?
There, man, there's something around us.
You look like you can't find the son.
No, man, there in there, man. Oh, see. Okay. Dirty, man, wash it still. I was trying last time we go river, you know, wash.
Alright. It dirty?
I wash. How about the shorts? I can ask him about the shorts.
Because I mean by gear, so I expect you to wear it. And besides, you're sexy night, babes.
Okay. I want to try dirty, man, you know. Try dirty, I mean, have it time.
Alright, you know me wash them. So tomorrow I wash it.
Alright, then.
Alright. Babes, I'm hungry. I feel okay I'm gonna get something up the road.
Alright. Sure, alright.
Yeah, you?
I'm good, man. Alright.
So you think about me today?
A lot of good things.
Thanks here, Shorty. Thanks for coming help me look for my sister.
That I least, Candy, that I least. You would have do the same thing for me. So you know what me I go do now? Me I go down go pray for you and pray for your sister. Everything go good.
I just hope and pray for the best. You understand? Come on, me, I don't know here. Alright, come on. Mermaid.
Yes.
Right now, me can't find my sister. You have to go come down here and help me look for her.
Jesus Christ, how was one? No, sis.
Me don't know what happened to her.
Jesus Christ, me phone come down a morning then, ASAP.
Hurry up and come because me look all over the place. Me and one of my friends I look for her and me can't find her. Me don't know which part she gone.
Okay. You right now, you just call and mash up my meds, me nah lie.
If we can't find her, we have to go report it to the police. Hurry up and come help me look for her. Right
So
now, me
as me reaching at the town, me I call you.
me ain't no long talking right now, girl. That you don't know me feel. Hurry up and come. You know, I'm tired.
Alright then, go on or I'm going to put up some of my posters then.
Now take off the book of 5 right.
Alright.
Girl, I want me car run from me. Girl. Sister, how when you have baby?
Candy,
Wake up, wake up, wake up and come find me.
come on man, wake up. Me
I
done
want him.
Don't worry about the time, me done put up the posters them already. You really look tired for true.
Tired man. You know, so me just get a dream about my sister though. Me a dream say my sister have baby. Me a see the baby.
No worry yourself, we go find her.
Girl, I see her something, you know. Me dream say my sister have baby, you know.
Alright, come on, me go look for her now.
Girl, me tired right now. Me stressed out. All now me no hear nothing about my sister. Me can't find her. Me no know which part she there. Right now, me stressed out real bad. So all of the walk all about and sitting and they put up the flyers them. You know hear nobody they say nothing at all about you whether you hear say she did this or wherever. You know hear nothing at all.
No, me no hear nothing at all.
By the way, how you reach up so far to put them the posters there all over the place and you so short? You did carry leather with you? I will put them up for you.
Girl, me just see some people pass. And I beg them to put up the film. But hold on, you never tell me say your sister come down today. How is she there?
Boy, you know, so I call my sister long time though. And I don't know which part she there. From the time she tell me say she dey come, I know she can't reach. You know, say so she stay though. And if I did the next sister where we have in here, you know, say she would have look out for her. And she they go on like I said, yo, my youth, you know. You call her right now and ask her where she there. Not everybody want that. Mermaid. Girl, which part you there? From the time you tell me say they come and now you can't reach. You forgot say our sister disappear? And now me can't find him and you not come to come help me look for her. I bet say if I did she should have reached her already if he come help you out. I want you. No man, you take too long. And this thing serious. No, me not that. You need to hurry up and come. Because me need you to come help with make with the two we look for your sister. You not help me. You take too long. If you come, you come. Right now, me and one of my friends now feel walk up and down and I look and I no fear her sister. Two will they look for her. Oh, you not reach here yet. Me not understand that. You say they come and now you can't reach out. Right now, this thing has stressed me out, you know. You need to hurry up and come. Alright then. Me a wait. Me still a wait. And we still a look for her until you come. Yeah, man. Little more. Yeah. Alright, cool.
So Candy, the belly where your sister have, how much months old?
5 months old. Now what happened?
You know, so me hear rumors in the street say the pitney enough for brown man.
What you say? Ear say pitney enough for brown man? You sure say people them say so or you say it?
Yes, a people me hear, the big in the streets.
By the way, for your information, a brown man breed my sister. You get it now? I eat that.
Don't offer that now, Candy. I hear me here in the street and through me and your friend, me I tell you why people them attack say.
You don't sound like I tell me. I ask me. Youth, yes when you go on road and people tell you things about my sister or me, say it in a one different way. Maybe come down a little more lower. But God know you just chick off media and your people then we are sit down and discuss about my sister. Me know that. By the way, me no know nothing about you, you know. You tell me about my sister. What about you and your family then? How much pitney your mother have?
You know, say, my mother have 3 sons. And me are the only girl. But you look like, say, and me are the salt one. You know, say, all of them married. And me are the only one not married.
You are a lucky one. You lucky you have brother. Me not have none. A 3 girl my mother have. Me a biggest one. Smallest one, she wash belly. She missing. You understand? She gone. Me don't know where she there. Right now it has stressed me out. Me drain. Can't continue the conversation and no more. So me go home you know. Tomorrow me kinda pick up from this. So me see you. See you?
Alright, Candy, take care.
Yeah man, watch your face.
Yeah.
I don't want to take you out for dinner date, you know?
Where?
I'm in the mood for killing somebody. Oh Lord, killing some, no. Yeah, and we rock it up in a Jamaica. B-boy in the place now. Oh, nice and easy. So we mash it up in a Jamaica. We mash it up all over the world. Boy, I do it so easy. If I not today, then tomorrow. The most is gonna wipe away all the pain and all the sorrow. Nice and easy. And then boy, deeper in the place.
Yo, he's right there.
Come on, we're going this.
I need to talk to your artist, so let's go on in and set up Bill back, man.
Sister, so you wanna do up here?
Hey, girl, I can't see a woman.
We don't live now. What happened?
There.
Oh, sit down. So which breeze blow you up here?
You don't know, so from a lighty breeze I go blow me.
But brother, what happened?
Damn, sister, you're good.
Yeah, man, me there, master.
You look good, man.
Thanks.
Mm.
So what happened? So what go on me here to come in at what land and here can't see no what go on.
Yes, girl, King buy 20 acre and we build a mansion on the hill.
How are you do? How are you do? What not?
Anyways,
family house. I'm welcoming to.
What go on with you?
I'm there, I'm the same one. Take out one man there, chop a girl. Yo, I can't manage him. I can't manage him.
Hey, Mama. No, she did do a with this different man and
control. No, girls. Listen to me find the one when I take care, but God never bad me up too much, man. He not lick but rough me.
Why pray artist?
They are putting some work, you know.
I say you make on link though.
Yeah man, boy, they are all the top set speed, you see.
So everything go on, not true?
Yeah man, everything good man. So you deal it?
No, so me there do that come for your buy one tune or something though.
Oh, set speed. Yeah man, boy, they are doing some work. Me a minute, them I finish a dub plate and them talk to you.
Alright, my father.
Yo, engineer, where they are now?
Where they are chucking with all.
Chucking with all, boy. Number one sound in the world. Ooh, people feel the vibes every time them play. And this is where they want to stay. This is Jamaica, reaching out to the world. So we say chucking with all. Keep it live and keep it tuning. Who else young? Fi jingle them.
We have Lydia S. Lydia S.
Lydia S. You know you're the best, yes. It's fire as curious king. Ooh, we keep it singing, yeah. Ooh, hope you're having a good time wherever you are in the world. Like Lydia S. You know she is the best. When you reach to Jamaica, remember to visit the king in the west. Yes, we keep it skanking, boy. Yeah, we keep it skanking from there tonight, and everything is gonna be alright. Next jingle, Miss Engineer. Yes, my general.
Yes, everything blessed.
Yeah, man, glory to the most I give thanks to life, man. So, where are you dealing?
You know, say I showing me come for vice to my father.
Oh, are you there to tell me what they say? You write a one tune?
Yeah, man, I mean, same man.
Oh, your pa, sister-in-law?
Yeah, man.
Oh. But I know you found down the lane down so.
Yeah, man, me always see a man, but I never know say they have a studio, my father.
You're not really a studio still, I just vibe some dub players still and really a professional studio like that.
I know me have a couple tune, man. So if nothing can give a thing on my voice, I already know where you're going.
Where you go to then? Go on here, we have this.
Alright.
Your engineer, give him a chop there.
Said the time is come. Anything we start to know, it can't done. Running pon them ends with the crew magnum. Laugh them a laugh and I take it for fun. From a crime dog, you know say done. Guessing at the car with 2 flasks of rum. Rise up the K dog plus the handgun. The inna me yard, you know me nah run. Know me nah run. Life on the gun. Work man a work up your finger till you numb. Yeah, me cousin banks just buy me a gun. In case them want to bring you war come. Ride out the bike, goes up on the back wheel. Any boy this dog get hot steel. How them a go on like them can't feel. Like that in a me engineer.
Oh, dear my father, that no sound too bad.
What you going on? Why yeah?
Yeah man, as the I put 1 and 2 words together.
Yeah man,
yeah,
for
but
real man.
with every action shall bring a reaction. So I know say you're a gangster. So you go sing what you feel and what you see around you. But that not justify what you go do to the next generation. But who am I to tell you what to do? You're your own man. But I would have tried to advise you say, we are building Jamaican City. With a city where there will be safety. So we're going to need warriors, we're going to need soldiers. But if you fight for the right cause, not for material things and self-gain, but for upliftment for the next generation to come. Because the badness not live too long. You know what I mean? So badness done with bad end. But that not mean you when you're on the good side you still have a bad too. To defend yourself. Defense is different from actually go look for white people and with the flaws around them something there. It will influence them, so image kinda different. But I not tell you what to do, you know. But there's a space for you on the good side where you are do positive things that help people save life instead of take it. You know what I mean? So the song that we are do is what nowadays people are sing. So if a money you really want to go make with it, I can't tell if you not do it, but I can pull 1 and 2 links for you with some people who do them type of production there.
You know say yo John know do a fire when me a grow and I see in the street, you know say youths have to eat in a fire. You know say a lot of things have to be done because politicians them and the government them no responsible. We have to take up matters that we own hand, you know. So me just do some tune, we leave a gun tune, money tune, girl tune. I tune them, you see it, but we still have conscious one same way.
So, well, like me said to you, say, I know how your thing come down, say a gangster, you know, normal youth, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
You understand? So, yo, enough respect.
Yeah, man, I see.
Well, go eat up some food and now because right now, and day me there, I knock out some dog plates anyway.
Real, man.
Yeah, man, but I continue to do what you're doing, but would that good if you could turn out, just put your thing in a one positive level, before you uplift and save life.
Which is right.
You know what I mean? But me say if I hear they want go down, I don't tell you what to do. I can give you a strength, say they make you go get a deal from the people that own them type of music, they said speed. Mom, engineer, bounce you out for you, and you come pick up one of them there.
Alright, my father.
Because we have something to finish up today. Yo, that's our word.
That's our word, you know.
Guidance in general.
And protection.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
We talk, yeah?
That's our word, my father, man. Eve. You know, say me a crush a crime and come back.
Where you go?
You crush a crime.
Alright, then do what you do and come back.
Make sure I'm forward back here there, son.
Then where me I go?
Just make sure and don't play with me, no girl.
Alright.
Warning.
Everywhere me go, everywhere you go with in style. Yeah, and abroad, every single way. Me can't take it. Me can't take it.
Me I enough for you and you're a bad man. Me I go away.
Go away.
Me I go to Florida. My boyfriend, my husband, I should say, get a contract, so me I go with him.
So for your man I carry a foreign. For your man I build mansion. What make me have to end up with this?
That's what you choose. I want
money.
They are one of the reasons, sir.
I'll go on fire. What you doing? You're good, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, you're not about something, man.
Yes, B. Your food there in the kitchen.
Come show it something for me. Come show it. Come, man. Come in the kitchen.
Alright.
Yeah, baby. Alright.
Hey, so how your man deal with that, son?
Girl, I saw that the brother they come down. But I say one thing when I give me money, he give me a
good portion of money. You see me, some just a stick around.
Oh.
Otherwise, girl, you see him go on. Leave. I just humble because I know so by the end of the day in a long-term relationship, must be some food me I take and cut. Because I don't know me come down, you know. I no second for less, you know. But to him money right, I just a stick around, you see me?
Oh. You can deal with it better though.
He no lick me, you know. Because I say me I worry and he not going to lick me, you know. But you see, too, me know say money good as me I tell you. I just stick around and just know say, yeah. Because I'm a chopper. I say I don't know he's a chopper, you know. But I just a stick around.
I have to say to my sister, you have to just be careful. You understand?
Girl, I know you look Rose. Remember say, I know today I see the meaning of this, you know. I'm just a stick around just for your money. You see me?
As what I say, be careful because you see most of them chopper here, them not normal. You understand?
Yes. Yes, man, some business to take care of, so really.
So what that all you do?
Girl, you no kiss.
Last time me ask a kiss, me get a fist. I left this place, yeah.
Kelly!
Oi!
You go left, you know. May I come? Come on, go so fast.
Girl, them ready now. Might as well me left them. Now we pan chop.
So we didn't even get for easy at
You come back then I can link you. Me I go cut.
Alright, then give me a hug now you move so strong.
No, my mind that you there, son. You ready? Come on.
Louis.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Hello?
Where going?
How this me I talk to?
It's Jermaine, man. Jermaine.
Oh, Jeremy, you know what going?
You know me there on the work. I heard that's what's happening, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, and I'm really sorry to hear, but it's too bad the sister did have to disrespect me like that with that little dirty brown boy there.
Oh.
I know she gave him the child, but that child is mine because it's
What you just say?
The baby father that she gave the baby to
Yeah.
is not the real father. It's
How?
a jacket.
So why father?
Me, the baby is mine. I put it there before I leave.
You sure say you father?
Yeah, so I'm calling because I want to send some money so you can help to sort out and see if we can find her, buy whatever is necessary for her and get her back and make sure the baby is safe because when I come down, I'm going to go and make sure that baby is in my name.
So how much money you plan to send? So hurry up and send it.
I'm going to send 2,000 US. So see what that can do, and if we get her, I'll ensure I'll send some more just in case, and for the baby because they have a foreign year I work a lot, I work hard. So send me the information on WhatsApp where I should send the money to, and see what they can do, and ensure you get her safe home, and call me if anything, and I'll ensure everything is alright. Alright?
Yes, and when you go send it straight to MoneyGram.
I don't really like MoneyGram, you know, they're a thief, but I'll try and send it through Western Union or one of them.
Me no collect money at Western Union. Please can send it through MoneyGram, please.
Alright, if that's the best way for you, I'll ensure you get it early in the morning, alright?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so take care now and call me if anything, alright?
Alright, yes, I will. Thanks for calling.
Yeah, man. I'm a long time in hear your voice, you know.
A long time in a hear your advice. Foreign must agree with you. You're supposed to be big and fat.
I know you're rude, you know. I know you're rude. You're a rude sister from them time until now. But anyways, I'll talk to you, alright? We'll catch up.
Alright then.
Yeah.
glad to see you.
Oh, yeah, God.
Wait.
The journey did way too long and no rest home, man.
Glad to see you.
Yes.
But how long did I see you?
Gone.
Here, look nice.
This one me here look nice.
You look good, don't
You
worry
call me
about
and
that.
tell me beer something. Tired.
I'm glad to see you come.
Yo, what evening?
She could have done her yard hour.
Take man things and tell man boss you go show up. Boss you go link man. Yo, you one of a good sister them, you know. Nah, deal with you no way, no, but the same time I catch Eve. Broke man, I broke her up. Broke her up. Yeah.
Say good though. So I go on the final come on now.
Listen, I did done with them side there, but I say I have to come down here. Because I come to find out what go on. You know, see my sister call me and I have to come.
So I feel about your sister still, you know. They don't find out yet.
No, we don't hear nothing about nothing of that. Me I tell you, you're not here.
Something go on, man. More pray upon you, see? Something go on. So when we find her in time, I don't think nothing wrong with her still. So you don't think she can check her man or something?
I could tell you, a man yard, wherever she gone, we're going to find out and get to the root of this. Because that I come down here about. You see, my attitude and everything changed because I depend on some vibes right now.
So, anyway, I have a session soon and now still. So where you deal differently?
I'm coming at the place. As I tell you, to come find out about this.
When I left, you did the darker, but now you get brown.
Then look from when that, you know, see the in thing, I have to in it too. Like, I can't stay black all the time, though. Change up the thing little and, you know?
So everything change up?
Everything change.
So everything?
Right, that's so.
Alright, boy, they are all it all still. Because up on my yard, I want up there right now, you know what I mean? So, I would invite you over to come have a drink now and then, but everything change up, I say. When the yard said speed, so.
Well,
but we link though, man, because if I'm there, I'm going to go on. If I go vice to double some people, you know.
Yeah.
CMC. So, what you do? You stay till I come out or what?
I can't do that.
Alright.
It's up to you.
Alright, so let's move forward, because them people kind of know my body nice too, know, and then, is it?
Alright then.
So, I'm going to chop you and forward.
Okay.
I did me went up here, you know. I was gone.
You would have never believe what happened a while ago. Yeah, I come down the road. Well, put on my clothes, I come down the road and say, them I come up in a good spirit and say this rusted man. Or walk up to me and say, what Eve there? So I say, Eve supposed to do what Eve taking things. And then he say, more come check him all knowing I see Eve. Anytime you see Eve, he more break up Eve. He say, look here. I know me not say because look, he say me a good one, he know about me, you know, but he only make me know say when he catch Eve.
Hello? What? Fire, you know, say me have to leave now. Me catch up with you here, because I get a call and me have to cut.
Yeah, soon go down still, but we have to look, but me I can't link up though.
Yeah man, me have to move.
Alright.
Kelly! I have to go on now, trust me, I can't go bother.
How am?
Same thing you know, did now.
How am? Oh, yeah, chat me.
Are you with just there talk about Eve? Yeah, my sister, me love you, you know, say if you go on better.
What me do again? Anytime when mix up go on for you, especially, I yes so everything happen. Conference.
You need to stop taking people them things. Stop take the man them things. Then go kill you, no Eve. You need to hear my youth.
Hold on, me a come down the road a while ago. I want Rasta man. Which Rasta man things they take and tell him say you punch them?
Yeah, man, if you're not a man from the wrong turn family, they see how ugly Rasta, whatever, never him. They see how ugly Rasta long face when the face for your ass.
Look here now, him say more broke you up. Me
Broke
and give
up
the
what?
message clean so either have to watch yourself. You hear me tell
What
you,
you saying?
Kelly?
Yeah, watch what gonna happen to you. Watch.
Jesus Christ, why you gonna let yourself in a?
None of them look me.
Me don't talk. I'm the youngest one. I'm not give half a problem with Eve they give. You're good.
Everybody have their own big people. Me face my own consequences. Do not tell me what to do with my life. If they even want to kill me, what happen? If you don't bury me, government will bury me.
Drunk rag on near me.
No business.
Our government no response to people like Uni, you know.
People are going government.
So I say you look for life.
No, alright then. I look why don't come back and care.
Water is not here.
I don't know give back Rasta when me take on. Alright, go ahead.
You know listening, you know?
Yeah man, my name is Richard Brown and you're watching Richard Brown Films. Before we go anywhere further, let's talk about why you guys are watching this video. You guys are watching this video because you can be an official member. Alright, YouTube has this feature where you, our fans, can be an official member of Richard Brown Films. In that way, you'll get specific content. When we post, we are going to post specific things where only our members can see. Also, there are emojis when we go live where only our official members can use those emojis. All right, also, you guys are a part of something great. We're making history here over at Richard Brown Films. So once you are a member, you're an official member of history. All right, so it is not very expensive. It is cheap. Once you are a member, you just DM me on Richard Brown Films over on Instagram and I'll make sure I send you an official Richard Brown Films t-shirt. Alright, so big up on yourself, and as always guys, keep on supporting what we do, because as I say before, we are making history in Jamaica. So be a part of something great. Richard Brown Films, big up on yourself.